try to cut the baseboard, and there's an odd angle to this one, and so I put a piece of wood. Here's another piece of wood, and then I draw a line. See that? I got a pencil, draw a line. Then after I draw a line, I measure the angle here. And give me the reading is 132. Hold on. Yep, 132. Okay, put a piece of baseboard against the wall, and then another one against the wall, and then here put a mark on here. See that, the mark? Same as the other way. See the mark? So I'm cut that. So the angle is 132 divided by 2. It'll be the angle I'm cutting. Alright, I'm trying to cut it. So it's 132 divided by 2 is 66. So 66, I have to minus 90. It'll be 24. Alright, 24 here. Alright, so I'm gonna cut this here. And it will give me the angle of this angle will be 66, because this one doesn't have 66. I have to do it that way. So now I'm cut the other trim. You see the marking right there. So now this is how this looks like. That's the end product. That's how the whole thing looks like, without any angle tool, measuring tool. Alright, thank you.